Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. I'm excited to show you the prettiest 1966 Thunderbird in the planet. This car is just gorgeous. Complete restoration from the bottom side up, loaded with options. Can't wait to tell you all about it. If you want to read the specs, study over 100 pictures, get the price, visit volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new videos are posted. But right now, the top is down on this Roadster. Let's go for a spin. We just got 3 cars from an estate of a very well-respected local car collector. I just Googled his name before I came in here, and more stuff about him and cars popped up than it does about me. He's been a collector for a long time. He owns J&P Plating. They do all the chrome plating on classic cars. So anyway, this is from his collection. He restored it from the bottom up, and I'm here to assure you this is a high-quality car. Fit and finish is amazing. It functions really well. I got a lot to tell you about. First of all, this is the Roadster package. This lifts right off. 2 wing nuts, like 1 turn, a clip in the middle at the console. One person can lift it off. It weighs nothing. And then you have a full back seat. The top is not affected by this. You can put the top up with this on or off. This doesn't change anything about this car. So it's really sharp looking the way it is, but you still have a functional top, functional back seat. The bottom of the car looks brand new, literally from front to back. The floors are just clean metal, painted a nice satin black. All the components and front end and bottom of the motor and everything about it is super nice and clean under this car. It has disc brakes up front. The style, it's just a sharp looking car, and then it's painted this super bright red, and the body and paint is amazing. It is polished like glass. It feels slick to the touch. And of course, he owns the chrome plating shop, so all of the chrome, every piece is going to be gorgeous. All of it's redone beautifully. When I say loaded with options, it has the wire wheels, which is part of the Roadster package. These are Firestone radial tires, but it has power antenna, it has power seat. The passenger seat has the headrest that lifts up and it reclines. It has seat belts, power windows, power vent windows, air conditioning, power steering, power brakes. It has the swing away wheel. It's a retractable top, which we'll demonstrate in a minute. But getting back to the body, the gaps are all spot on, and it is smooth all along the bottoms. I don't see any cracking. I don't see any issues. Little nick touched up right here. Right here, there's a line of really small little dimples you'd have to look for. It has sequential tail lights. Hopefully those are working. We'll find out in a minute. But the bumper's beautiful. Everything fits just spot on. All of this, it's like looking at a red mirror. Inside there is beautiful. Very high quality car. Doors shut like a new car. Door jambs are beautiful. All the weather strips, the latches, the sill plates are bright and shiny. The speaker grills in the bottom of the door have been chrome plated. Beautiful. We'll open up the engine. It's a 390 motor, plenty of power. Look at that. Gorgeous. Under the hood is gloss. It has the hood insulation, cadmium plated hinges with the black springs, the proper air cleaner and valve covers, a beautiful chrome. Everything's painted in gloss. Like I said, power steering, power brakes, factory air, has the correct stickers, correct hoses, clamps, an Autolite battery topper, the right spark plug wires, has the Thunderbird washer fluid bag. That's show quality there. Windshield, the rubber gaskets, looks new. Got a couple nicks on the edge of the door panel. Door panel is excellent. There's no cracks. It's got the knife handle, door openers inside here, reproduction floor mats. The center console goes up and curves over. All the chrome is sparkling. I was going to open the trunk, but it doesn't open that way. Might as well start it up and demonstrate the top. The cushions in the seats are nice and firm. The visors, all of the dash is in beautiful shape. This is the swing away wheel that I mentioned. You gotta get it in park. Okay, trying this for the first time. Hopefully it don't embarrass me. Sometimes there's a trick to putting the top up. You gotta have it. There we go. I just didn't have it in the right spot on the shifter for safety reasons. It needs to be in park before it will open. Look how beautiful it's detailed in there. The same attention to details, all gloss red. Look at the components are all polished and look like new. Operating this retractable top is like a show in itself. People love. I gotta make sure we don't bust our lights. Oh boy. Might have to stop the turntable for a second. I know it works because the photographer did it. Or maybe not. Maybe we'll demonstrate that on George's test drive. Got a little bit of a raspy exhaust, like it has glass packs. You can start the turntable, Russell. But inside here, it's all the complete liner package. Has a spare tire cover and all the brackets and hardware and hydraulic rams. Even the inside light works. The sticker is there. This is restored beautifully. It's a white convertible top. It does everything by itself. All you have to do is latch it to the windshield. And you got power windows, and like I said, even the vent windows are power. So a beautiful car with lots of great features, cool design. I mean, it's even got a chrome rim around the steering wheel. I've never seen that before. That's cool. The horn's a little weak. I'll put the top back down. You just got to find the right spot in park, and then the top started opening, no problem. People love watching that. If you're ever out somewhere and you operate the top, people will stop and watch. Now I'm going to try one more thing we talked about, the sequential turn signal. I don't think the turn signals are blinking real well. They are working. I didn't see a blinker on the dash because it's on the front fender, but when it comes around, you're going to see what I mean by sequential. It blinks across, and it's actually working. Absolutely stunning, absolutely unique. Has all sorts of fantastic factory features. It's stylish inside, it's stylish outside. It's restored to near brand new condition, maybe even better in some regards because the paint wasn't this good when it was new. Striking colors. Someone's going to get an amazing car from a very well-respected collector. This was his pride and joy. This was not a car that he was flipping. I assure you it's dialed in and someone's going to enjoy it. Here's the turn signal that I was talking about. Visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways on there to contact our staff. They will answer whatever questions. I gave you my impression of the car. If there's more you want to know, ask them. They can help you with all of that. If you need financing, shipping, we can help with that too. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you will be the first to see the next video that comes out. Hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.